How to clear cache and cookies in Chrome for Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have the latest version of the Chrome application on your device over here. So just search for Chrome, and as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back to the home screen, and all we're going to do is make sure we have stable Wi-Fi connection. Next is we're going to make a long press on the Chrome browser and then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on Clear Data. Here you can see the option of Clear Cache. So just tap on Clear Cache and tap on OK. Now if you want to clear all the cache and cookies, you can just tap on Manage Page and you can just delete all data over here if it's possible. If not, you can just go back and try to remove all unrequired data. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.